If you watch my channel much, you'll know that I like to try a lot of different cook sets. So I was in Walmart yesterday and I saw this set here for like $5. So I grabbed it and figured I'll check it out. So let's see what's in here. Sorry I'm being lazy today and using my cell phone to make the video. So it's not that great. Alright, there it is. I can tell right off, it feels really thin. It's pretty lightweight, which could be good. So it's got a little frying pan, which most of the cook sets I use don't have a frying pan. So if you're someone that likes to actually cook like real food and not just dehydrated food, something like this would be pretty good. So it's really thin. It's stainless steel, it's not aluminum. Yeah, really thin. Should work though. Let's see. It's got a little plastic cup in here. I don't know. Pretty small. Also, it's pretty thin too. And we got pot cover. It's got this little plate bowl thing for eating out of, I guess. It's about the same thickness as the pan. And here's the pot. Wow. So the bail on here, it's like a razor blade. It's pretty sharp. Definitely can cut your hand on that. Don't really like the style of that, but yeah, you can pour. It's pretty solid, I guess. Oops. Anyways, this is the Ozark Trail cook set. It's the 5-piece mess kit. It's pretty lightweight, I'll agree with that. Kind of reminds me of the kit that I used to use when I was a Cub Scout and a Boy Scout a long time ago. But I remember that kit was aluminum. This is the same style. Well, for $5, you know, it'll probably work. Kind of a weird design. Definitely not very ergonomic. I don't know if I said that word right. But, well, for $5, I guess it'd work for a few nights. I couldn't resist it. I had to grab it. I would say no, I wouldn't use this. You'd probably be better off going to the dollar store and grabbing one of the little stainless steel cups and pots there for a couple dollars than this. This is really thin. So when you put this on the stove, you probably get some really hot spots, and you know, if you've ever cooked on real thin stuff, you know what that's like. The pot is thicker than the rest of it. The pot's definitely thicker than the frying pan and the plate. Aside from this weird bell that I haven't seen that style before, it's not too bad. Cover fits. Anyways, thanks for watching.